My name is Ryan Dean and I'm the founder of RD Content. We're a creative video content agency that works with some of the world's biggest brands. We create everything from TV commercials through to social media campaigns. One of the great challenges we were having was when we were in the storyboard phase, actually being able to print those storyboards and that creative work to the quality that we required and doing it fast was sort of impossible. Once we got the SureColor P5000, there was an immediate transformation. It meant that our entire creative team suddenly could do absolutely everything in-house. That's just been huge for our business. It's sped things up, it's made us more efficient, and apart from anything else, it's allowed us to keep that quality as high as we demand it on all of our work. We moved into our new office a few months ago, and currently the one thing that is lacking is artwork and prints on the wall. Sometimes when you're a busy agency and you're working really hard on campaigns, you forget just how much amazing work you're actually doing. Being able to see the prints around the office has been able to show and remind everyone some of the fantastic work we do here. So whether it's filming with the world's biggest sports stars, supermodels in fashion shoots, or just stunning shots taken from every corner of the world, having those prints up reconnects the entire team with the amazing work we do here. The reason we chose Epson is because their dedication to quality marries with what we're trying to achieve. When we get a product like the printer that we have from Epson, we know that it's going to provide fantastic results. The Epson SureColor P5000 brought three key things to the table for me. First of all was professional standard prints. It also brought great color accuracy. And finally, clarity of image. Right now I'm just thinking about where is the next place we're going to go and what amazing photography are we going to get from it.